So welcome back to the channel, everybody. And this morning I am looking at a setup in USD CAD. So quite a nice arrangement. I'm just going to declutter the chart. These are all the harmonic swings in colors that I am deleting, so you can really see the cycles without any distractions. So we can see a clear one cycle up, two cycles up, and this is potentially the start of the third cycle up. So what I am seeing here on this nearer time frame. So here's one, here's two. Okay, this is the daily. Let's just go down to what's on the hour. So on the hour we have one up. This is a cycle. We have two. This is called a cycle two here. And then within two we've got one, two. So we are expecting a third here. Now this is where it gets quite interesting. If I can just remove some of this, oh, so much remove. I'll put it there. Just so I can paint the entry. So we're on the 1 hour. We started on the daily. We looked at the direction of the trend, and we identify. So every anchor point. So this is this is ultimately a high, high, low, high, 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 low. Each of these swings that are supporting price, they're obviously anchors, and because we're identifying a Gartley, a continuation trend, the Gartley is an entry into the trend. So this is. You need to go back and look at some of the videos I've done already. For example, just harmonics, you'll see a lot of information about Harmonic Patterns. There's a good playlist to just trawl through there. So this is ABCD, all nicely sort of linked up, and we copy that because literally AB equals CD. That's the whole point. And as you can see, when AB in length is equal to CD in length, there is a potential turning point. And the statistics for this are around about 60% of the time AB equals CD. So that's not quite it. There is a bit more to colour in. I do like to get the wings just to really make it visual in place. So that's what we have. That is a harmonic pattern. It features an ABCD. It's a really early aggressive entry here as well. We're taking the completion point on D. ABCD, expecting higher prices in line with the trend. So we'll come back and look at this later on.